Another nearly perfect analysis on the gold. I have sent yesterday a signal to buy from 2712. As you can see, the gold has reversed just like 33 pips far away from my entry and already reached our take profit level. So it was really a bummer, and I'm not sure if actually, guys, some of you have already entered this signal and already made profits. Now, what's next with the gold? That's the big question. First of all, let me please delete this signal, and let me just say first of all, before we continue, that guys, this signal, I'm not so sure about it, to be honest with you, because we are right now at the absolutely highest level of a real resistance, and now I'm looking to buy the gold, considering that it will continue the rise most likely till it reach the highest level of a real resistance, sorry, a fake breakout at 2787. So again, I'm not 100% sure of this signal. I will be honest and clear with everyone that I'm just, I would say, 50% sure, to be honest with you guys. Because let me just tell you something. Right now, if we check the weekly chart, the gold seems to continue the rise. As I said before, we had here on the last 3 weekly candles as a continuation of a strong 3 bullish candles, which seems to actually shown that the gold is actually right now on bullish movement and most likely will break out from this level of a resistance trend line, which has indeed happened. So here, of course, we had a channel, and the gold has already made here a bullish breakout recently from that channel. So the gold now has a chance actually to continue the rise. Right now, I don't see chance for the gold to fall down, to be honest with you guys. So now, what's next with the gold? Again, I'm telling you, I'm not 100% sure about this signal. There is a high chance that this signal might fail. So please, guys, if you are willing to trade it with your real money, please consider using a very small lot size and make sure that you have been prepared for the losses. Losing is part of the business, and we cannot ignore it at all. I know so many of you guys, thankfully, believe and trust in my analysis, but I'm telling you now, this one right here, I'm not 100% sure about it, okay? So we are on a clear page about this. So right now, what I can see here on the gold is we have, of course, here a broken level of a resistance trend line, as you can see. So here we had a triangle. Let me just show it to you like this, which indeed has been broken out from. So meaning the gold has already abandoned this channel, and there is a high chance that the gold will fall back again to retest the same channel, and then most likely it will continue the rise. So the problem here is we don't actually have on the left side a strong key level of a support to rely on. Yes, we can see here clearly that we have, of course, a strong level of a support at 2731, but I highly doubt if the gold will be able to reach this area. Why? Because again of the resistance trend line that we have right here. If the gold will visit this level of a support, it means that the gold will most likely go inside of the channel which it has already abandoned. And that most likely won't happen. So therefore, the gold most likely is going to reverse at some point right here. Now, I'm going to show you one of the ways that I'm using usually to find a decent and good entries using Fibonacci retracement, especially when the gold swims in the uncharted water. When the gold reach an unknown area, where exactly we can place our next buy order? In this case, we will have to seek the help of Fibonacci retracement. But the problem here is, how can we draw the Fibonacci retracement? Because as you can see, if we draw it like that, the market has already abandoned our area of 100 Fibonacci. So meaning, how can we now draw the Fibonacci? Actually, my friends, I have on my channel so many videos explaining the magic of Fibonacci. And one of the tricks that we are using here in Xtreme Trader to find these entries when the market is actually going in the unknown area, when there is no support or resistance in the left side to rely on, is to simply, let me just show it to you, to draw the Fibonacci from the lower high to the lower low, like this, from the last pulse before the bullish breakout happened. So as we can see here, we had, of course, a resistance level, and here we have a pulse happened. So we have to draw the Fibonacci from this high to this low. Let me just now show it to you, just like that. And now we have here Fibonacci 161.8 has appeared. And that, my friends, complies with our support trend line, which we have drawn earlier right here. So meaning we can rebuy the gold exactly at 2724 again, 2742, sorry. Oops, 1 second. 2742 is going to be, in my opinion, a good level to rebuy the gold again, targeting, of course, Fibonacci 261.8. Again, All of that has been explained in a video on my channel called The Magic of Fibonacci. You can refer to it to see the tricks and how we can apply it, and we can trade using extreme trader style. Another way I have seen actually here is by simply draw here a support trend line, if I'm not mistaken. And as you can see, exactly just like this. So now we have here another confirmation. Check this out. So here, of course, we have a support trend line, which actually after the bearish breakout happened, the market has formed here one single attempt of a resistance trend line that instantly has been broken out from. Which means if the gold will fall back again, it will most likely have to face the same level here of a support trend line. Afterward, it will continue the rise. Therefore, we have now two kind of confirmations to buy exactly at Fibonacci 161.8, exactly at 2742 to be precise. 2742, targeting again Fibonacci 261.8, which I believe was the highest level. Let me just check again. A little bit lower. Actually, we can even make our target higher. If the gold will continue the rise, it actually has a chance to continue the rise. At least I'm trying, my friends, to find the level to at least reach the highest level of a previous support right here. So exactly, it's almost at Fibonacci 261.8. Almost exactly. My God, I feel like this is going to be a good signal now. I don't know. Now I feel like it's going to be good. So again, my friends, we will be targeting around 300 pips of profit. And if we do, our safe zone shouldn't be ranging lower than Fibonacci 119 at 2728, which will be ranging for around 130 pips against almost 300 pips of profit. And there you have it, our new and last, I think, gold signal for this week. And again, my friends, do not forget, please, to join our free channel of Telegram to stay connected to Xtreme Trader team and to receive all updates or notifications about anything happening here on YouTube. I actually might send you a notification here to adjust the entry or change the take profit level or adjust the edge of the safe zone, whatever you name it. All updates will be sent here on my Telegram. This is the channel here, Xtreme Trader Signals, and you can also find the link in the description below of this video. So until then, my friends, I hope that was informative to you, and I would like to thank you for watching.